To fix the Pinterest error something went wrong in 2025. Follow these steps. First, ensure you have a stable internet connection, as this is often the root cause of the issue. Check your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection and restart your router if necessary. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies, as outdated or corrupted data can prevent Pinterest from functioning properly. You can do this by pressing Ctrl-Shift-R on a Windows computer or Command-Shift-R on a Mac. Alternatively, you can clear your browsing data through your browser settings. If the issue persists, try logging out of your Pinterest account and then log back in. This will refresh your session and may resolve the error. You can also try uninstalling and reinstalling the Pinterest app if you are using a mobile device. Another potential solution is to check for any software updates. Ensure your browser or app is running the latest version, as outdated software can cause compatibility issues. You can check for updates in your browser settings or App Store. Additionally, disable any browser extensions or add-ons that may be interfering with Pinterest. Some extensions can block certain features or scripts, leading to errors. Try disabling them one by one to identify the culprit. If none of these steps resolve the issue, try accessing Pinterest in a different browser or device to isolate the problem. This will help you determine if the issue is specific to your device or account. Finally, contact Pinterest support directly if you are still experiencing issues. They can provide personalized assistance and help you troubleshoot the problem. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the Pinterest error something went wrong in 2025 and get back to using the platform without any issues.